Welcome to K-Zone. Today, we will share about the autonomous driving, the robot vehicle totally changing transportation. Dream cars and drones. Let's start. In the not-so-distant future, the world's streets and skies hummed with the promise of a transportation revolution. Autonomous vehicles, both on the ground and in the air, had transformed the way people and goods moved from one place to another. Meet Emily, a young engineer with a dream. From her cozy corner office at Transtech Innovations, Emily watched the world evolve. Self-driving cars and drones were at the heart of this transformation, and she was determined to be a part of it. She had dedicated her life to making transportation safer and more efficient for all. One crisp morning, Emily walked into the bustling Transtech lab. Rows of self-driving cars stood ready, their sensors and cameras gleaming in the morning sun. These autonomous vehicles were her babies, the culmination of years of hard work and innovation. Today, they would embark on a mission to prove their worth to the world. The challenge was monumental. The city's traffic had become a notorious nightmare, with long hours spent gridlocked, pollution, and accidents becoming all too common. Emily's mission was to showcase the potential of autonomous cars to change this reality. She pressed a button on her tablet, and the cars sprang to life. The sleek, futuristic vehicles moved seamlessly into formation, communicating with one another like a synchronized dance. As they entered the bustling city streets, drivers watched in awe as these self-driving cars navigated traffic with grace and precision. The cars were equipped with advanced AI algorithms that allowed them to predict and respond to traffic patterns in real time. They adapted to sudden changes, merged into lanes with ease, and communicated with traffic lights and other infrastructure to keep the flow smooth and efficient. Within hours, the once chaotic streets had transformed into orderly, stress-free arteries of the city. Word spread like wildfire, and soon, people across the city were clamoring to experience the self-driving revolution. Emily's vision was becoming a reality, and her heart swelled with pride as she watched the world change before her eyes. But Emily's ambitions didn't end with just self-driving cars. She knew the sky was the limit. Literally. Drones had always fascinated her, and she believed they held the key to revolutionizing the delivery industry. With that in mind, she set her sights on the next challenge, drone delivery. Transtech's drones were unlike any others. They were equipped with state-of-the-art sensors and AI that allowed them to navigate complex urban environments with ease. Their mission was to deliver essential medical supplies to a remote clinic in the mountains, a journey that would have taken hours by traditional means. The drones lifted off from a rooftop pad, soaring into the sky with a grace that belied their technological complexity. As they approached the mountains, they encountered strong winds and unpredictable terrain. But the drones were unfazed. They adjusted their flight paths, avoiding obstacles and staying on course. Hours later, the drones arrived at their destination, delivering the much-needed medical supplies to the grateful clinic staff. What would have been an arduous journey was completed in record time, saving lives and showcasing the incredible potential of autonomous drones. Emily's vision was becoming a reality, and she couldn't have been happier. Autonomous vehicles had not only transformed the way people moved but also how goods were delivered. The impact on society was immeasurable, from reduced traffic congestion and pollution to faster and more reliable medical deliveries. As the sun set on that momentous day, Emily stood on the rooftop, watching her self-driving cars and drones return home. They had not only proven their worth but had also ignited a spark of innovation in the hearts of countless others. The world had changed, thanks to Emily's dedication and the incredible potential of autonomous vehicles. Transportation was safer, more efficient, and accessible to all. Emily's dream had become a reality, and she knew that the road to tomorrow was paved with endless possibilities. With self-driving cars and drones leading the way, the future had never looked brighter. Thanks for watching. Don't forget like, share and subscribe.